Committee on Tribal Unity, Cotu, demanded reversal of government's decision to withdraw Assam Rifles from the region, as presence of the paramilitary force is crucial for maintaining peace and protecting Kuki-Zo community from ethnic violence. The statement was made by Media Cell Coordinator of Cotu, NG Lun Kipgen, during the 15th Remembrance Day observed by Kuki-Zo community held at Gamgipai in Sadar Hills. He said that the 15th Remembrance Day is marked with uncertainty, trepidation and fear, as the Home Minister has resolved to remove the Assam Rifles from the Kuki-Zo dominated areas. He said that their objection is not against the deployment of other central forces, but against the perceived political influence exerted by Chief Minister N. over the decision-making process. Lun Kipgen then questioned the rationale behind the decision to replace the Assam Rifles by the Prime Minister and the Union Home Minister after hearing the appeals of Kokomi and Chief Minister N. claiming that replacing of Assam Rifles is like inviting for a further war. He further claimed that the Assam Rifles have been instrumental in safeguarding both Kuki-Zo and Meitei communities during these tumultuous times. They have assisted in the safe evacuation of the Kuki-Zo people from Imphal to the hill districts and have ensured the safety of Meitei communities from the hills to the valley as well. He also vowed to resort to an extreme form of agitation if the decision for removal of Assam Rifles from the region is not reconsidered. Kipgen also emphasized that the withdrawal could potentially destabilize the area and jeopardize the ongoing peace efforts.
Removal of Assam Rifles by the central government is a reflection to prolong the ethnic conflict between the Kuki-Zo community and the Meitei community. Kuki-Zo community will resort to any means prevent the removal of Assam Rifle, who has been a main factor in dousing the situation in the erstwhile state of Manipur. The Assam Rifle is the only unit who had played a neutral role transportation of the Kuki-Zo community from Imphal to the hills